I'm filming 365 seconds every day for 365 days, and this is day 6. We are in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. We came here late last night after crossing the border from Cambodia by bus, and today we are on the hunt to find the best banh mi's in town and wander around the city.
So we came in to get our delicious Vietnamese egg coffee, which I only saw and learnt about briefly this morning, but we walked past this coffee earlier and it was delicious, like a dessert in a coffee. Yeah, they just came over and gave us a free spiced coffee as well. And they're delicious as well, tastes like chai a little bit, very cinnamony, delicious. Dead rat.
Honestly, I think that was probably one of the best coffee experiences I've ever had. That egg coffee was kind of like creme brulee. It was so nice. So yeah, I definitely recommend if you're in Ho Chi Minh, Tonkin Garden for specialty egg coffee. This is one of the main things to see in Ho Chi Minh City, and it's a very grand post office. And I have a book that I need to post to my friends. Let me get my book. So we're actually going to use the post office.
So aesthetic. Yeah, we've just turned up at, it's an apartment building, but every unit has been converted into a cafe or a bar or a pub, and they all have their advertising sign out the front, and it's quite a beautiful building, and it's in a very interesting area as well. It seems to be quite upper class areas, lots of designer shops, cool malls, financial business buildings, lots of cool architecture. Streets are all paved, it's beautiful. And we're gonna go spend a bit of time in here and get some drinks, some, I don't know, maybe some iced tea, something nice to drink to quench the thirst. It's a warm day, so let's get in there.
the delicious dinner that we just had, and now we're going back to our hostel to have an early night before a tour tomorrow, where we're going to visit the Vietnamese tunnels from the war period and the Mekong Delta River and do a cruise down that. So we'll see you in the morning. Bye!